Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix laptop touchpad not working. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first method is in my laptop in my function keys. I have a key of touchpad enable and disable option. This is F6 key, and this is the icon. You can see the touchpad icon, so this is a shortcut key of touchpad to disable or enable it. I will show you how to use this key if I press this key, and now you can see the touchpad is working, and if I press this key again, you can see the touchpad is now disabled. So if you have any function key to disable your touchpad, you can use that key. The second method is when I double tap on empty touchpad, an organe light appears and it stops working, as you can see on the screen. Now, if you want to disable this feature, double tap on it again and it will start working. Well, these features and method varies from devices to devices. I am currently using HP ZBook. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.